Hello, my name is Danny. I work in Enrollment Services at Lake Tahoe Community College, and I'm here to help you with our self-service enrollment process at Lake Tahoe Community College. In order to access your self-service, type in portal.ltcc.edu, and then you're going to type in your username and password. When your passport home screen pops up, it will look like this. And on the very left column of your home page, you will see LTCC self-service, and this will help you start your registration process. So once you've logged on, this dashboard will come up and it'll give information on student finance, your student planning, grades. Once you've finished taking classes, your grades, you can look them up. And then information on financial aid, course catalog, and enrollment verifications. So we are going to start the registration process. So click on course catalog. And just click on any one of these majors, and it'll take you to this page. And so this column here gives you all the filters. So we want winter quarter 2022. If you want to take a particular class with the instructor you have in mind, you can filter it with the instructor's name. If you want to take face-to-face classes or just online distance education courses, you can click on those too. But in this case, I want to take a face-to-face art class, so during the winter quarter. So here is the list of classes that have popped up for art. So I want digital photography. So I'm going to scroll down until I find digital photography, and it is right here, art 146. So here, if I want to find out different sections that are being offered, this class is being offered on Tuesdays from 6 to 9:05 p.m. This number here tells you how many seats are open for this class. So there's 9 seats open. So I want this class. So I'm going to add this class to this schedule. And it's got more information on course description on there. This is a 4-unit course. There's 9 seats out of 20 available. And most importantly, it tells you that it transfers to the University of California or California State University system. So let's add it. So I'm happy with this schedule here. So now let's register. So I'm going to click on home. And then if you look here on the right-hand side, it says register. So click on register. And it's got 3 courses that I selected from that schedule. I want Art 146, Digital Photography, English 101, Reading and Comprehension, and I want Pre-Statistics. So those 3 classes are what I wanted, and I'm going to hit register. Sometimes it takes a while, but just be patient, and we'll go to schedule. And it shows here that these are the classes that I have selected. Also, if I want to change my schedule, there are drop buttons here. If it say this doesn't work for this particular class does not work for me, I can drop that class. So this is my schedule, and I'm happy the way it's worked out. So if I want, I can hit print, and then, or I can save it to my Outlook or Google Calendars, and you just click on here. So this is it for the registration process. If you have any questions, you are welcome to contact our Enrollment Services office or come in person. We'll be more than happy to help you. Or better yet, we have the ambassador counter, and you can come over there and they can help you as well. Thank you.